Alright, I'm show you how to replace the rubber insert on a Toyota Tundra. Just gotta order this number. I'm gonna do it in one take. Show you how easy it is. Lift this up. This button right here. Both hands. Push this button. Slide it out. So what you do is the side with the arrow. It's right here. Take your fingertip and you just push it down with the arrow, and then this will slide out. And with this, pull it out. And this just goes in the reverse. That also has an arrow. And you just feed it into here. You know, this will only work on the, if you still have what the cart came with. There you go, heard a click. I'm just pulling this back out. It's stuck. And then to reinstall it, just slide it back. And then boom, you're done.